Hey there, aspiring coders. If you're itching to land your first coding job in 2025, you've clicked on the right video. Today, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to get you hired and coding in no time. Let's get started. First things first, pick a programming language. In 2025, languages like Python, JavaScript, and TypeScript are still hot commodities. So, choose one that aligns with your career goals and get comfortable with it. Next, build a strong foundation in that language. There are tons of free resources online from sites like Coursera, edX, and even YouTube tutorials. Don't just watch, practice. Make small projects, solve problems, and get hands-on experience. Now it's time to create a portfolio. Your portfolio is your digital resume. Host it on GitHub or a personal website. Include your best projects and maybe a blog about your coding journey. Show potential employers what you can do. Networking is key. Join coding communities on platforms like LinkedIn, Reddit, and Discord. Attend virtual meetups, hackathons, and webinars. Make connections, ask questions, and learn from others. Often, it's not just what you know, but who you know. Okay, now let's talk about internships and freelancing. These opportunities can give you real-world experience and make your resume shine. Check out sites like Internshala, Upwork, and Fiverr. Even if the pay isn't great, the experience is priceless. Applying for jobs can be daunting, but don't worry. Tailor your resume and cover letter for each job you apply to. Highlight your skills, projects, and any relevant experience. Keep it concise, and remember to proofread. When you land an interview, preparation is key. Research the company, practice common coding challenges, and be ready to talk about your projects. Show enthusiasm and a willingness to learn. Employers want to see passion and potential. And finally, never stop learning. The tech world is always evolving, so stay updated with the latest trends and technologies. Follow tech blogs, subscribe to coding YouTube channels, and take advanced courses. The more you know, the more valuable you become. There you have it. A step-by-step guide to landing your first coding job in 2025. Remember, persistence is key. Keep coding, keep learning, and don't give up. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.